So if you want to try React Native development on the web, what would be the way to do it, right? Like you can go for like something like code sandbox and all, but I have a little bit better solution. Maybe like many of you know it, or maybe some of you not. So let me just show it to you. Hi, hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video. So, bit of a history. So, why I recently jumped into React Native? So, because I am currently developing a client app, like app for a client, and they specifically wanted to React Native. So, I have to learn it a bit. So, while I was going for React Native development, I started looking at the alternatives, like how we can start it and how to do it and all. What I found is this platform Expo. Now many of you may know about it, many of you may develop on it already. So in Expo, Expo is a great platform, though I am still a bit confused about the platform, how it works and all. But still it has great tools, great build tools, a great environment and all. Okay, now the thing is here, well, while developing in Expo, like using Expo, developing React Native with it, we have a particular thing called Expo Snack. Okay, so yeah, Snack. I don't know why they kept this name, but really cool. So Expo Snack, in Expo Snack, actually, first of all, you can share code. This is like code sandbox, but for React Native, specifically for Expo. So you can share code. Hmm? Secondly, you if you are developing in the web, like if you have an Expo account, if you are developing in some project, you can develop the total project in Snack environment as well. Okay, though I wouldn't suggest that, but for trying it a bit out, it is great. Okay, so let me give you an overview of it, because I was trying a library that I showcased before, that is native base. Okay, so let's just dive into it. So as you can see, I was using native base over here, and I wanna try this out, try this like uh, list view item. Okay, so you have direct option to view it in Expo Snack as well, and as you can see, it gives you a complete overview of like complete session, like somewhat like that what code sandbox. And here you have tons of things like prettier code editor things and all. Okay, like you have dark theme as well. So if you want to like and you have beam mode as well. So if you want to use dark theme, you can use it. Then devices, so Expo had this great thing, you can view it on like your own device with Expo Go app. You can share the like take this QR code and run it on your Chrome browser. That is also possible. You can run on your device, iOS device. Okay, if I click on iOS device, it will show me a QR code with which you can run it on your iOS device. Obviously you have to have this Expo Go app, okay, on your device. Then for Android as well, and if you want to develop for quick demo, you can develop it in web as well. And obviously here run on device and other things, download as zip, show embedded code, everything is over here. And you can log in into the space, so you can have it in your own Snack environment. Okay, like own Snack repository, whatever you want to call it, own Snack base and all. So yeah, and this is a live editor, obviously, as I have said already. This is like a code sandbox. So let me just write bit of code that I recently learned. Okay, so let me just import scroll view from here. Scroll view, and obviously it's gonna give me some errors while typing it, because it doesn't know what I'm doing. So what I can do is I can just create a scroll view over here, and it is giving me intelligence, as you can see it over here as well. So it's great in that way as well. It's just like I don't know what they are using as an environment, but I am hoping that they are using all like somewhat extension of VS Code. I don't know, like a parameter of VS Code. Man, this can obviously happen. Okay, sorry, I have kept it in a wrong position, so I have to give it. I'm doing it wrong. Okay, I have to give it here. Now the scroll view will obviously not visible because we haven't much of an data. So let's copy some data as well over here. Okay, let's copy those data, and I can copy paste this here multiple times. Okay, so we have a tons of data now, and we have a scroll view now as well. Now this might look a little bit different. Now to show you, actually it's working great. So I am opening it in a normal browser, and let me just inspect the element, then you can see it how it's looking. Okay, so I am in iPhone X right now. See, we are having the scroll view. This is actually the scroll view. Now you may ask, you to eat, it is not that much like great kind of thing. I know I'm not here to like teach you React Native or Expo or Native is whatever. I'm not here to do that, but I'm just giving you a simple example. As you can see it here, really simple to build and all, test out, really simple to test out code actually. Okay, so it's really a great thing. I liked it a lot. And in Snack actually you can like create multiple pages as well. As you can see it here, like right now the app.tsx is open and package.json is here. You can add new files as well, add new folders as well, and you can obviously structure the app, structure the whole app here. Okay, so that's a great thing that I think is. And yeah, that's about it. I really liked it. I really liked it, like how it's working and all. So that's it about it. Let me know if you like it or not, like if you know about Expo already, but I don't know many of maybe knowing, because whenever I search about Snack or Expo, okay, I got really like limited resources. I don't know why don't like why people aren't using it, because it's a great resource, to be honest. Like you can develop it in web, like try out things in web and see if it's working in or not and all. I don't know. I need more and more Expo resources, to be honest, because I am liking the Expo rather than anything else, like in any other platforms and all. I don't know why there isn't a whole full guide of Expo. Like Expo has his own channel, but still there isn't that much of content. I don't know why. Whatever. So that's it from my side. Uh, Try it out, let me know if you like it or not. And if you know about some of the great tools like this, please let me know about them in the comment section as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye. Oh wait, and if you like my videos in general, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, bye.